Big, lush, sumptuous. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the facelift of Lexus RX 450h and the beautiful island of Ibiza. When Lexus told me I'm gonna come here to drive this big beauty, I thought, well, are they digging their own grave and they want me to help them with this job? But Lexus promises better handling and improved comfort. Well, as always, we're gonna put this glorious theory to practice and take this car on the road. So I've got some exterior upgrades, newly sculpted front and rear, as well as front and rear lights. We also have some new exterior paint colors, one of my favorite being green. But because Lexus loves me, I've got the white one today. So what else Lexus has done is tweak the suspension a little bit, and this is the perfect environment to test it. You know, the RX was comfortable to start with, but this is quite extreme. And it feels pretty good, actually. I must say, whatever they've done to the car is feeling... I've got a passenger with me who seems to be okay. Seems to be... Are you?
No.
No, but it's good. It was good to start with. So they made some improvements, and it's on a normal road. It feels absolutely lush and quite frankly, delightful. So inside the cabin, not much has changed, but the devil is in the details. And we finally have got the large touchscreen. Lexus has heard us loud and clear. Thank you very much. The system itself, it's okay. It's the old style, but it's much better. It operates Apple CarPlay and Android, and it's the first Lexus in Europe with this sort of gimmick. But otherwise, the cabin is just beautiful, especially in this red color. So one of the elements that has been improved is the steering, and that's something I've picked up straight away as soon as I hopped into the car. The previous RX was good, but the steering was quite soft. Here you've got more control, it's got a little bit more weight to it. So what hasn't changed are the engine types. We've got two engines to choose from. So there's the RX 300. Now this is a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine, pumps 238 horsepower, but 2 litres are for the peasants, because I've got a 3.5-litre proper V6 engine combined with 2 electrical motors, and the total pumps 313 horsepower. And what I do appreciate about Lexus is that whilst all the other brands are dropping the V6, Lexus is keeping it. And you see, with this size of a car, it is really needed, because you need a bit of that punch, you know, to get the blood flowing. Now, the RX was a beautiful, phenomenal SUV to start with. For me, the major flaw was the infotainment system. We're nearly there, Lexus, and nearly there, not quite, but we're getting there. What I do appreciate about Lexus is that there are no pretenses. You see, this car is meant to be lush, luxurious, comfortable, but the handling is decent enough so that you won't drive off the cliff unless you go really crazy. So this was a quick video since I've already filmed the RX before. My thoughts on it, well, it has been improved here, there and everywhere. And this makes me sound like I'm very old with that song, but anyway. It was a magnificent SUV, and it is even better today. And yes, I'm not ashamed to say that Lexus has got my heart. Although, for those wild days, I'll definitely be picking the RCF Truck Edition or the LC500. This is good when you go shopping, you go on holiday, or have your mum visiting. Perfect car. And that's it. This brings me to the end of this video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. A big thank you to Luisa from Lexus Germany for bringing me here. As always, I look forward to your comments and your questions, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye. 50h. New Horizons. Old blood. I don't know why I talk such shit, actually. I can't help myself.